Good afternoon. I'm Samantha Leeuwenhoek on Cellular Tonight. First in the news, many organelles are disagreeing with the nucleus and the way he's running the cell. They fear that he is gaining too much control and focusing too much on the proteins. Wait, this just in. The Golgi body is having a major vessel jam due to a protein spill. It is unclear whether or not the proteins will still be able to be used. We have an interview on the scene with a Golgi body worker.
Thank you, Sam. Hello, people. I'm Lily, and we have here Mr. Apparatus, who is working in the Golgi Apparatus. Can you tell us a bit more about the Golgi Apparatus in general?
Certainly. What the Golgi Apparatus does is it takes newly finished proteins and lipids from the ER, and it transports the vesicles loaded with these products to different parts of the cell. We make sure everything runs smoothly and that every part of the cell gets what it needs.
Can you tell us a bit more about this accident that happened?
Well, first I have to say I had absolutely nothing to do with it. What happened was a vesicle that I had directed to go somewhere did not go where I intended it to go, and it had a head-on collision with another vesicle, causing a protein spill. It has spread throughout the apparatus, and we are unsure of how long the apparatus will be down.
Can you tell us a bit more about the structure of the Golgi body?
Yes. There are two faces of the Golgi body. There's a cis face and a trans face. The cis face is where the newly finished proteins from the ER come into, and the trans face is where they exit after they have been modified.
And what consequences do you think this accident shall have on the cell?
Quite frankly, we might all die. The cell may collapse due to lack of energy from the proteins and lipids. The mitochondria factory might shut down. Everyone talked about 2012, of course referring to the 20th minute and 12th second we've been around.
Yes, there's been rumors going around.
Yes.
Sam.
Can you tell us more about ribosomes and their structure?
Sure. Well, obviously the ribosomes aren't happy because they're hardworking products. The proteins are scattered and we don't know if they can be used or not. Ribosomes, the RNA is taken from the nucleus and given to those ribosomes where they create long chains of amino acids and then which are folded up into special structures to create different proteins which are necessary for the cell to survive.
Can you tell us more about those ribosomes and how their structure is? Okay, thanks Lily. And that's it for Cellular Tonight.
This song is called Let Them Be by Golgi Body and Ribosome. And there's technical assistant me and songwriter.
Wait, do you have an actual song?
Yes.
When I finish making all the proteins, I send them to the Golgi body. It takes them away from me, away from me.
And when I get those shipments of proteins and lipids from her, I take them to the vesicles away from me.
Away from me, away from me, away from me, away from me.
Whisper words of sadness away from me.
And when the broken-hearted organelles living in the cell agree, their proteins will be the answer, let them be. And though we may be parted, there is still a chance that they might see. Lipids will be the answer, let them be. Let them be, let them be, let them be, let them be. Proteins will be the answer, let them be.
When I instrumental.
Okay. What? There's more to the song. That was just the instrumental.
Oh,
The
I
end.
thought he said